I just got the WallerGe 5.8 gigahertz wireless headphones for connecting with a television. So they're digital wireless hi-fi stereo. These are the black and blue pair. They last for 20 hours. Model number HP003. As it says, these are WallerGe. They're made in China. And that's about it. So let's open these up and give them a try. Has a tab here. Gonna open the box. Okay, inside here. Okay, so we have our instructions on top of how to connect to the television or of how to connect to the receiver. Here's some important tips. Here's the rest of the instructions. We'll go through and we will set these up. Okay, here are the headphones themselves. Blue and black headphones. Take the bag off. Okay, nice leathery and very cushy feeling. So we have some volume up, volume down, NA and power. Okay. And that's a look at the headphones. They also expand just slightly on both sides. A charger connection on the bottom. So here is our power adapter. Take that out. Typical power adapter. Some plastic. Let's move that out. Okay, here's an optical cable. Red and white RCA cables. Red and white to a single audio jack cable. And here is our charging stand. And receiver. Okay, so we have power signal and charge on the front. So we can just plug that in. Plug the cable into the back here. We can either plug in the optical audio or the right and left audio. Has customer support on the back. Put the headphones in here. And we will start charging these. So I can plug these in right here. Just plug that in. All right, we have a red light here as we start charging the headphones. Make sure the connector's on the right side. So it was on the wrong side. I'm gonna turn that around. Okay, so now we have a red light on the bottom showing that we are charging the headphones. All right, so we'll give that some time to charge. The charge light is blue, so the headphones are fully charged. And they should be connected, so let's power on. And we have a red and green light, so we should be connected. Of course, we need to connect the receiver to the TV, and then we should be good to go. So turn those off. Hold it for 2 seconds for it connects. I'm going to turn the power off. Okay, let's connect it. I have the optical cable plugged into the back and to the back of the TV. You can hear the volume through the headphones and the TV. I needed to make sure though that digital audio output was on PCM, because if it's on auto or digital, then you're going to hear this wacky noise. So these headphones are great if someone can't hear the TV. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.